Hi, my name is Cecilia.
Hi, I'm Max.
Welcome to Cecilia and Max's Lego Review. Today we have a special guest, Zippy. He will be joining us today for this video. Today is going to be another episode of Legos for Kids. Today we're going to review Mulan Storybook Adventures, number 43174. It has 124 pieces, and it's 5+, and it's the Disney Princess series. So we chose this because, well, we've never done the Storybook Adventures before, and it looked pretty cool. So that's why we brought it. And so this is the box, and we're going to open it up and build it. Also, remember to give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us. And also, remember to watch until the end to see our positives and negatives about Mulan Storybook Adventure. Opening time.
No, not I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah, I think it's stuck together with tape, unlike other Legos. So, we have this.
I got this.
It's like part of the book.
I dropped one.
It's stickers. We have bag one. We have this. We have this book binder. We have stickers.
I have this.
Yeah, and then we have bag two. We have more stickers. And then we have the other half of the book. And we have bag three and the instructions. Right. So we have a lot of things. So let's open it. Alright, finally to the actual building part. Okay, turn to the first page or something.
Upside down.
That's why it keeps on. No, it's a map. Oh, okay, so the instructions is kind of like a map. Okay. Well, it's folded. It's not like a book. It's like, okay, like this. Okay, let's find number one. Okay, let's build the book first. Okay, second part. Okay, so now we need to take this, and then we need to take this. I want to build that. Okay.
I want to go.
Okay, so Zippy, can you put this part here? Click it.
I want to green.
Oh, we'll find a green part for you. All right. Okay.
Let's say that, Sticky. Sticky, not Toda.
Okay.
I want green.
Yes, we'll give you green. Zippy usually isn't like this. I think he needs to sleep more. Okay, so now, yeah.
I want to do that part.
Okay, you want to do this part. Okay, so put this.
No, this part.
Oh, then I don't know.
This goes over there.
Mm-hmm.
That is so honey.
Really?
Daddy, come on. I'm gonna whistle Shibby.
Okay.
I'm gonna whistle Shibby. I'm gonna whistle Shibby. No. I close it. I close it.
Yeah.
I locked it down.
You locked it. Okay. That's a fake lock. You do know that, right?
Wow, I need to open it.
The fake lock.
Need to close it. Look.
Okay, so this is kind of cool.
I close it. I'm ready to smash.
Wait, I need to put it here.
Open it.
That's not how you do it. Why did you do this? Why did you do this to me? Okay. Well, you didn't do this to me. You did it to the thing. Okay.
What? What arms?
Okay. So basically, now let's just make the characters that I'm going to make the characters that I did not make yet. Oh, okay. I already made that. Well, Max made it. Okay. So let's do this. Okay. I'm just gonna put this here. Zippy face here. And because her arms are too small. Let it go. Let it go.
I lose it. I lose.
Okay. I guess he's just playing. You want to do this? He doesn't want to do this part. No, I didn't ask him. Okay. Do you want to do this part? No? Okay. I didn't ask him directly, but he's just not listening. Okay. Right now we're this is
No, this. No.
the instructions are like so big. It's like taking up so much space. I guess if you do on the carpet, you have more space. So, got to do this. Okay. It would be easier. Maybe. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, so this is like... So Mulan's from China. Right? I've never been to China. But China is really far away from New Jersey. Which is where I live. Okay, now I think I should call this another silent moment. Okay, we have so many silent moments. I'm gonna talk about, okay, I actually already told you that before. Okay, so my favorite character in Mulan, I like the dragon. I don't know why. I watched both the Mulan and Mulan 2, but I haven't watched, I think there's like a new one, a new Mulan, which is like there's a new Mulan, I think. It's like the realistic one. It has like real characters, like actors, not voice actors instead. I watched the animated version. I watched this version. On the box, it shows Mulan. Okay.
I know I'm gonna put one sticker here.
Okay. I like the dragon and I like the cricket. But then my favorite human is Mulan, of course. Well, some people don't exactly like Mulan, but I like Mulan. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I'm totally lost. Oh, okay, I'm not lost. Okay. Okay, oops. I'm gonna just quickly crayon.
Tea.
Did you take the tea from me? Okay. So I'm trying my best to show you how it looks like.
I want to log out.
Okay, so I'm just gonna close it all.
No, smash it. Smash it.
I didn't smash it, Max.
Made the key. Where's the key? I'll upload it again.
And here you can write your name. So now Max is going to play, and I'm going to give you the positives and negatives from Mulan Storybook Adventures. So for the positives, there are lots of there are like 3 figures, and there are some animals, and it can open and close like a book, and so it's easy to transport, but when you open it, it might like turn out a little messy. And also there are like 2 halves, like one is like where Mulan like lives, and then the second is like where she like was training for the war or something. And for the negatives, it's very easy to, it's easy to build, like it's easy to build, but the instructions are very bad. Like, first of all, the instruction takes up a lot of space, and like it doesn't even tell you like what to do. It doesn't actually really tell you what to do for some parts. And the figures are very small, and they can't even sit, and they can't hold anything. And there is not much things. There's not much things to do in the training section, and like actually there's not much things to do at all in this. But the real question is, would I buy it again? This was actually very disappointing, and our recommendation is not, because I mean it's not exactly very fun to build, and the instructions are bad, and I mean some parts are fun. I mean maybe like for people who are Max's age, Max is 4. I guess this would be all right if for playing, but not but it's still not exactly very good. So thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us. Also subscribe to see more videos like this.